How to delete photos from Google Photos permanently. Now for instance, let's say I want to delete this photo right here. So I'm simply gonna select it. Once you do that, at the top right, you guys can see the trash can icon. Simply click on it right now and just give your confirmation. That is, click on this button, that is move to trash. Now as you guys can see, the photo has been deleted. Do note that the photos will be saved in the trash bin for about 60 days, and after that the photos will automatically be deleted permanently. In case you want to delete it right now, simply focus on the left hand side, scroll down, and at the very bottom you can see something called as trash. Click on it. Now at the very top you guys can see the empty trash button. Click on it and just give your confirmation, that is, click on empty trash. And that is it guys, that's how we delete photos from your Google Photos permanently. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this too, remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.